Evenly seared meat is delicious, but achieving that sear can be elusive. Searing is the product of several chemical changes that occur when dry meat hits high heat. The primary chemical change, called the Maillard reaction, transforms the color, flavor, and aroma of the meat. Let's take a look at what we need to achieve the Maillard reaction using this pork chop. First, always dry the surface of your meat before searing because too much moisture in the pan will prevent the Maillard reaction from taking place. Second, because salt draws moisture out of meat, salt either immediately before searing or 4 to 5 hours ahead and refrigerate. Third, let your meat come to room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes before searing. Choose a cast iron or steel pan large enough for steam to move away from the meat. Over high heat, add 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil. Our ideal temperature for the pan is 400 to 450 degrees when small wisps of smoke just begin to appear. Now don't touch it. Continuous contact is necessary to gain an even sear. Though it may stick at first, the meat will form a crust and release itself from the pan in 3 to 5 minutes. Give the pan a little shake. If the meat moves, it's probably ready to be flipped. Finish in the pan, or for meat that's thicker or on the bone, move to a 400-degree oven for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't forget to check the internal temperature of your meat. We're looking for 140 to 145 degrees for our pork chops. Lastly, rest your meat for 10 minutes before serving. During searing, the juices vacate to the center of the meat, and during resting, the juices redistribute themselves so that they won't leak out when the meat is cut. We're serving our seared pork chops with balsamic tomatoes and Parmesan Faro. Dry meat, high heat, and a little bit of patience are all you need for a no-fear sear. Enjoy.